So here's how to fix the Mi Box remote as not working problem. Now the first step is connecting a mouse to your Mi Box. Here there is a USB port. Now the mouse is connected. I will navigate on my Mi Box using mouse. Now go to the gear icon, go to remote and accessories, and you will find Xiaomi remote here. And if you didn't find it, you can just hit add accessory, but if you did find it, you should unpair it. Click OK. Now once you hit the OK button, you will see this window, and you should use your remote control. As you can see, now the remote is connected and it's working just fine. Thanks for watching this quick solution. See you in another tutorial.